have a very interesting item that I'd like to unbox with you. It's taken like a few months to get here. If I can just grab it really quickly. Okay, so super dank. Let's see what's in this parcel. Well, I'm hoping it's what I'm hoping it is. Super cool, so it's got my name on it. Irfaan Hassan. And I suppose I can open this rather slowly. Sorry guys, give me a while to open this. I'm trying not to tear it. And she tore in any case. Okay. And let's fold this over because I don't fold this over now. Later on in my life, it's going to be a tad of an issue. It's going to be a tad of a problem. Especially if I don't fold it over now. And I hate things being future problems because I've had problems that ended up being pseudo future problems, which is really as likable as future problems are. It's just not my scene at the moment, you know. Ta-da! Oh, this is super cool. This is super cool. I don't know if you guys can read that. That's from the G.I.A Institute of Diamonds Certificate of Achievement. This to certify that Irfaan Hassan successfully completed the Diamond Foundation course in August 2020. I'm really chuffed with this because after I completed my G.I.A education, after I completed most of the G.I.A Diamonds course, I think I just got a G.I.A grading lab that's left to complete, and maybe I might complete that this year, depending on what the situation is like. Just after I completed that, I spoke to my dad and I showed him this that I wanted to take the De Beers Diamond Foundation course. And at that time, I think it's about $250 if I'm not mistaken. It's about between $150 to $250, somewhere around there. And I really wanted to take this. I was super amped because the Beers actually sent me an invitation to complete the course. Thank you to De Beers for inviting me to complete the course. I successfully completed the course. In terms of coursework, the De Beers Diamond Foundation course is fairly, I would say, intensive. It covers most of the vertical integration of the diamond pipeline, from sales to mining to not just the gemology part of diamonds, but also the geology part of diamonds. And I highly recommend this course. Took me a better part of 2 weeks to complete the course, about 30 hours of coursework that you need to put in to complete the certificate. And that's when you having prior diamond knowledge and having knowledge from G.I.A, and of course, I mean, if you have prior knowledge from G.I.A, then of course it allows you to glance over the coursework, it allows you to speed read, it allows you to speed absorb certain things. Thanks for watching. Thanks to De Beers for sending me the invitation to complete this course. I'm looking forward to completing the rest of the De Beers courses. Some of the courses look to be fairly intense and very intensive, and yeah, but let's see how we go. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and to all the new subscribers, thanks for joining. I'm hoping to have a Friday night live session where we're doing diamond giveaways, jewelry giveaways, gold giveaways. So yeah, thanks everyone. I hope everyone is staying safe. Chat to you guys soon.